chair. The brothers continued, "Do not rely on him blindly. This offer of friendship may turn out to be a passing phase." The king was disturbed to hear this, but kept quiet. The next day, the king received a gift from the enemy king. The gift was a beautiful throne-like cushioned chair with precious stones. The chair was accompanied by lots of sweets and fruits. The king was very impressed by the chair. He ordered it to be placed in his bedroom. He decided to sit on it to test how comfortable it was. As he was going to sit on it, the elder brother came there. He warned the king, "Your Majesty, please do not sit on this chair. I feel there is a hair in the cushioned seat of the chair." The king was shocked to hear this. The soldiers were called to find the hair. Inside the chair cushion, there indeed was a hair. It was very hard. The elder brother. The king got the hair examined by experts. They found that the hair had been smeared with deadly poison. Here Betal ended his story. He asked King Vikramaditya, "Vikram, tell me which of the two Brahmin brothers was the wiser? If you do not answer my question knowingly, I will break your head into pieces." King Vikramaditya replied, "Betal, though both the brothers were highly gifted, yet the elder brother was wiser as he could detect the presence of the hair in the cushion." Betal said, "You are too good, but as you have spoken and broken the silence, I am going to depart from you." So Betal flew away from Vikramaditya's shoulder. Vikramaditya tried to stop him, but failed to do so. King Vikramaditya got exasperated at Betal's escape. He drew his sword and ran after him to teach him a lesson. The brothers and the maiden. King Vikramaditya, as usual, pulled the corpse down from the tree and put it on his shoulder. He started walking towards his kingdom. Betal could not keep silent and said to him, "While you are walking, let me tell you an interesting story." King Vikramaditya did not say anything. Betal smiled and started off with a story. In the city of Angaj lived two Brahmin brothers. The elder brother was called Sant, and the younger one was known as Basant. They loved each other a lot. Both were unmarried. One day they went to a garden. As they were taking a stroll in the garden, they happened to see a beautiful maiden. The maiden came near them and stood there. Sant immediately fell in love with her. Basant saw his brother and remarked, "You seem to have been blown away by her beauty." Sant smiled but did not reply. The old woman. In the meantime, the young maiden strolled around a bit and then left the garden. The brothers saw her going to a house close by. An old woman was sitting outside the house. Sant went to the old woman. He wanted to find out about the maiden. Sant said to the woman, "Mother, please tell me whose house is this?" The old woman smiled at first. She understood the purpose of why Sant was asking her this question. She replied, "I think both of you wish to meet her. But do not worry, you will find her again in the garden tomorrow. Come here at the same time." The next day, Sant got ready to go to the garden. Basant saw him getting ready and asked, "Where are you going?" Sant lied to Basant by saying, "Oh, I have some urgent work to do. I will be back soon."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.